In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram highlights. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then scroll, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this and then wait a few seconds. It will start loading. After it get loaded, then scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on force stop and then go down to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details, disable the power consumption alert, and then go back and click on the home page. Restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end. See you later.